Enrollment is now open for the new session of my Sky and Clouds and Land and Air online workshop. This course is built around sketching small-scale landscape motifs with a focus on sky and clouds, and then translating that sketch into a larger-scale studio painting. But it also goes way beyond the subject matter and introduces tons of informative skill-building content to help students of all skill levels define and reinforce their painting practice. This class has over 12 hours of instruction, live demos in every class, plus pre-recorded demos of large-scale paintings. The best part is that each student receives 30 minutes of one-on-one instruction every week, where we address your individual concerns and questions about the painting process, while I use Photoshop to virtually paint on your work and guide you through all the technique and creative decision-making involved in sketching and studio painting. And if you can't make it to the live class meeting, don't worry, because all classes are recorded in HD and uploaded to the site the same day. So you won't miss anything, because you can watch the whole class recording, paint along with the demos at your convenience, then ask any questions in our weekly one-on-one meeting. I love teaching this course so much and connecting to students from around the world. Follow the link in bio to learn more about it, watch some video excerpts, and read testimonials from past SCLA students. Class is limited to 10, so don't wait to sign up.